Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds EARFUN Air 2. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, and then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, then scroll down, and you need to find voice prompt settings line and click at this line. And right here we have volume. So to increase it, just move this dot to the right, to lower it, just move this dot to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!